Hi everyone, Adrian here and welcome to Wild Bush and Grit. Today in this video I'm showing you what I'll do with my leftover from a good day on the water. Fish stock is a great way to fully use your catch. You know, once you've taken those great fillet, what can you do with the bones, right? The head, what's left over basically. Well, you can turn this into an awesome broth that you can use later in various ways. So here I'm making sure that the head is clean, no gills and no blood clot. That's important if you want your stock to be very crystal clear. You may add some ginger, onions, garlic, this is entirely up to you. But the main thing here for me is I want to keep that stock very light. I don't want to over flavor it at that point because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that broth. You know, it could be would I make some seafood pasta or a miso soup, and I don't want to influence my future decision at that point. Turn on the heat, and you want your stock to be barely boiling. Barely boiling. You don't want to brisk anything here. After 10-15 minutes, you'll start seeing some protein floating on the surface. Remove them using a spoon, but I find that a little strainer like this is a very efficient way of doing it. And after 20 minutes, that's it. Turn off the heat and you're essentially done. You just need to strain it. And that's it, you're essentially done. So you can use it as a soup, you can make some ice cube and add them to various sauces. Super flexible, and it's also show great respect to the catches that you've made. But wait, there's more. I want to show you how I use this fish stock in one of my favorite way actually. I love to make miso soup, and let's do this. Here in this version I'm gonna use some small shrimps, and please note that the shrimps are already cooked. I'm using some shiitake mushroom, kombu and wakame seaweeds, some chives, and of course some white miso paste. Turn on the heat, very slow heat on the broth, and add your kombu seaweeds, also known as kelp. Drop in the shrimp and the miso paste. While all this is warming up gently, you can thin slice your shiitake mushrooms, your chives, and crumble the wakame seaweeds. You can drop in the shiitake and you let it warm up. Of course, you can add some silken tofu. The goal here is, again, not rich. You don't want that soup to boil. You just want to heat it up very gently. Once it has reached the perfect temperature for you, you can turn off the heat, pour yourself a bowl, add your chives and the wakame. And that's it. Super simple, very good, very delicious soup that will warm your heart. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing, thumbs up, leave a comment. Let me know how you use your fish stock. And this is where this one ends, folks. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye-bye.